Hello guys, welcome back to Strendev, and in this video we are going to see how to install Samba server on our Ubuntu server. So first of all, let's go to our Ubuntu server and log in here, and then type sudo apt update, enter password, hit enter. And once this has been done, type sudo apt install samba and hit enter. So I has been already installed this package, so it will just update for me. And if you are using this command first time, you will get the prompt if you want to install or not. Click S there and hit enter. And once this has been done, copy this command sudo systemctl sm status smbd. Okay, so as you can see, the Samba server has been active and running perfectly. So this command has been done, and let's check where is our Samba located. Okay, so these are the directory where our Samba has been successfully installed. Okay, once this has been done, make any folder as you want for the Samba share, so we can access our directory in that folder. So I will make the folder name of the Strendev. You can rename any folder as you want. So let's type ls first. So as you can see, there is no folder like Strendev here, and then type mkdir Strendev, click enter, and let's check. Okay, now as you can see, the Strendev has been created. So once the Strendev has been created, let's give some read write command for the folder. As you can see, I have copied this command chmod 777/home/hks. Like if here is hks, so it is my username of the Linux user, like Ubuntu username. So you have to type your username here and then folder directory. As you can see, the S is small here. If we hit enter here, so okay, like ls. Okay, so we got the permissions here. Okay, if in your case if user has been here small, if S is small, make it capital and the folder will work. Okay, so after this command, let's type sudo smbpasswd-a. So basically we are creating one user for the Samba share. As you can see, I have typed the sudo smb-a. You can type anything like a Strendev or something else here, like it is a user. Okay, so I will type hks, hit enter. So now enter your new password. Okay, I will type my password here. Like you can type anything in your password, enter once again password here and hit enter. So now our user has been created for the Samba. Okay, so once it has been done, let's type ls. Okay, and now let's go for the configuration file of the Samba. So type this command. I will give all these commands in the description. Hit enter. Okay, so once we are here, go down. So for going down and up, you can use the command of page up and page down in your keyboard. Go at the end of this file here. Okay, so once we are here, you have to create one configuration like this type of configuration. So this type configuration is for like we are giving some the folder commands here, like who can see our files and where we can see, like okay, so we will copy this command. Okay, paste here. Okay, for the valid user, I will change the hks browsable as read only. So read only is the function, like we can copy and write the files. So the path is okay, so in the path we have to do Strendev. Okay, so once this has been done, okay, I will also edit this Strendev. Okay, so once this has been done, okay, let's okay, and once this has been done, then to save this file, click Control X, then press Y and hit enter. Okay, Now the configuration has been done. Let's go to the directory of Strendev. Okay, ls. Okay, so once we are here, let make the folder mkdir media. Okay, click enter. Okay, so now ls. So we have successfully created the media folder here. Okay, now let's check our user has been working or not in a file directories. So first we have to copy this command sudo service smbd restart. So basically this command is for the refreshing the Samba server, so we can connect a user easily. Okay, copy this and hit enter. Okay, so let me go to my home directory. Okay, now copy, click here and hit enter. So once this has been done, let's check the command, like it has been running successfully or not. Okay, and we will copy here. Aha, so it has been actually running without any error. So after this command, we will go to our file manager and type / your IP address of your Ubuntu server. If you didn't know your IP of your Ubuntu server, type ifconfig, hit enter. In enp2so in your Ubuntu server, in inet here, this is your IP 192.168.1.102. so retype here with /. Okay, so I already get, cause I already has been used 192.168.1.102. hit enter here. Okay, so now this is asking for your Samba username and your password. For username we have created the HKS, and for password I will type my password and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, we are now officially in the Strendev directory, and we have created the media folder, and we also can see the media folder. Now you can copy any file here, like for the files, we go for the documents here. No, I will go for the music. Okay, I will copy this neko.png here and go here. Okay, we have now copied the files here in the Strendev in media folder. So now check has we successfully get the file in the for directory of your Ubuntu server or not. Then press cd strendev for me, ls in the media, cd media, and then ls. So as you can see, we have got the neko.png in our Ubuntu server successfully. So like this, you can share your big files, movies, or your shows in the Samba share and use for anywhere in your home server. So I hope you have liked the video, and that's it for today guys. Now I am signing off. Thank you.